Join me as I put both a wireless and a wired keyboard to the ultimate test to see which one really comes out on top for gaming and typing. When it comes to keyboards, both gamers and typists know how important it is to have a reliable and high-performing input device. But with the rise of wireless technology, a new question has emerged. Is it better to go with a traditional wired keyboard or a wireless one? Choosing between a wired and wireless keyboard can be a tough decision, especially when you consider the factors that matter most. For gamers, latency is a huge concern. You can't afford to have any lag between when you press a key and when it registers on screen. But for typists, convenience might be more important